Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi. This is Christmas card series number 7. For this cards, I will be using Hello Bluebird Glad Tidings stamp and die set. I'm going to mount my stamps on the lid of my MISTI and I'm using 140-pound Canson XL watercolor paper. I'm going to ink them up with Versafine Onyx black ink and then I will flip my paper so I can stamp on the other side. I use my Zig Markers to color my images. I just colored them very simple using 2 shades of colors or 1 darker shade and using the blender to spread the color. I'm going to let you watch this coloring part and I will be back when the coloring is done. I also added some shimmer on the wings of the angels, the banner, berries, and halo using diamond stickles. The stickles are dry, so it's time to die cut them using the coordinating die set. For my panels, I'm going to use one of the largest die from Gina Design's Nested Scallop Stitch Rectangles. I will also use my favorite things Rectangle Trio Stencil. I'm going to tape that down on my panel, and then for the inks, I will use Shaded Lilac and Speckled Egg Distress Oxide inks. And using my blender brush, I'm going to add the color on my paper. For this part, you can do the gold splatters after you added the 2 colors of inks, but I didn't think about that at this time when I was creating the cards. The first gold splatters, this one here, were not too visible when I added the other layer of ink color. So you can do that part when after you ink blend the colors. So as you can see here, the ink splatters were not visible anymore because I was adding the ink color, and then I added some gold splatters again. Let's go ahead and stamp a sentiment on the banners. I will position it on the banner and make sure it lines up and stamp it with Versafine Onyx black ink. And I will do the same thing with this angel here. We're also going to add a sentiment on the lower part of our panel, and I'm just using the sentiment from the stamp set. And again, we're gonna ink that up with Versafine Onyx black ink and stamp it on our paper. For this panel here, I use Bundle Sage and Victorian Velvet Oxide inks. And again, I'm going to stamp that sentiment on the lower part of that panel. Our panels are ready, so let's go ahead and adhere them on our A2 size top folding card bases. And our card bases are from Paper Tree Ink cardstock. And we can also adhere our angels on top of our ink blended backgrounds. I will pop them up with foam tape, and I will also adhere the other elements or images on the cards. For the inside of the cards, I will stamp the angel using ink colors that I use on my blended backgrounds. And I will do the same thing on the other panel. And the last thing I'm gonna do is to adhere these panels inside the cards. And here are my beautiful cards. The angels are so adorable. I love that stamp set from Hello Bluebird Stamps. I hope you enjoy and get inspired on today's Christmas card series video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.